Hey everyone, it's Tana and Teston with the Teston team brokered by eXp Realty. And I've got a tip for the realtors out there. For those of you who host open houses and have a hard time gathering the contact information of the potential customers who are coming through the open house, one thing that we do is we host a raffle. You can choose anything that you want to raffle off. We usually do Visa gift cards to make it neutral, but we host a raffle and everybody has to enter their information on our tickets in order to be entered. So we ask for their names, their phone numbers, and email addresses. That way we have their information gathered up and we can follow up with them after the open house. This past weekend was another successful open house that we had with over 40 customers coming through. That gave us a full weekend and Monday of follow-ups. If you want more real estate tips, follow me and give it a try. See how it works on your next open house.